Good morning, treasurers. This is your host Parthesh Shah, co-founder of Fintech, and you are listening to Night Snippets. Here is all what you need to know before going into trade for 24th November 2020 in the international market. US Treasury yields rose on Monday after news of an effective coronavirus vaccine, this time from AstraZeneca, and hopes that people in the US could start being immunized in December itself. Hence, 10-year yields closed 3 basis points up at 0.86 percentage points, and 30-year yields also up by 3 basis points at 1.56 percentage points. Even after AstraZeneca's positive vaccine news, in Eurozone bond yields were unchanged and investors were cautious as major economies remain under strict lockdowns and that fact that COVID-19 cases are not receding. A vaccine reality will take US 10-year above 1% psychological mark and Indian 10-year at 6% mark very soon. We at Night Research request all our clients to be careful on the potential certainty on the yield increase. In the crude oil market, OPEC officials will meet this week on Wednesday, Thursday and Friday to iron out the details ahead of the meeting on November 30th and December 1st that will determine the fate of OPEC plus oil producers for 2021. OPEC plus is set to ease oil production cuts further in January 2021, but majority of the oil producers want OPEC plus to extend oil production cuts as oil demand has not recovered due to resurgence of COVID-19 in many parts of the world. Crude is now trading at $46.10 per barrel. Crude's short-term range seems to be $45 to $47 per barrel. We have been vocal on the bullish crude trade with $50 per barrel target by January 2021, and it seems we will be right again this time as well. And few of our clients are still holding the long crude positions from recent $37 fall. In the currency market, positive news regarding a COVID-19 vaccine from AstraZeneca will again add pressure to the existing dollar weakness. Dollar index DXY is right now trading at 92.50. DXY's today's range seems to be 92.10 to 92.70. We are about to touch 92.10, and if breached, markets will take DXY to 91.74, which is a 52-week low. We at Night Research believe that there is a very good likelihood that the DXY will touch 91.74 and below levels when vaccines are approved for general public use. USD CNY or Chinese Yuan is at 6.58. USD INR or Indian Rupee with a low of 74.01 closed at 74.06 on Friday. USD INR's range for today seems to be 74 to 74.30. Remember our yesterday's words? We at Night Research reaffirm our view that 74 psychological level is not an easy to bridge and RBI may intervene at 74 levels. Exactly that happened and USD INR returned from rupees 74.01 levels. On a daily basis, we are seeing lower lows and lower closings. These are the clear signals for rupee to go down below 74 levels, and our clients will mint huge money as since US elections, we have been vocal about USD INR below 74. In the domestic market, coronavirus vaccine news is positive for riskier assets like equity, crude, but negative for gold, dollar index and bond yields. With AstraZeneca also joining the race for vaccine before December 2020, US government is planning to vaccinate Americans by May 2021. Now the expectations are rising on growth returning faster than earlier expected. We at Night Research strongly recommend to get out of your existing holdings as soon as possible before it is too late for you to exit. Yields will rise and that is the only fact we need to consider. 577 GS 2030 closed at 590 from previous 587 levels, whereas 522 2025 closed at 508 from previous 505 levels. The new GS 2030 auction has been announced and current 577 GS 2030 will soon lose its benchmark status. We strongly advise against participating in GS 2030 auctions. Do not participate in government security 2030 auctions as you would be able to get it much cheaper in next 2 months. Now, this is high time when you assess the risk of your portfolio and take corrective measures. If you want to assess the risk, feel free to reach out to us on 9930307466 or research at nightfintech.com. That's it for today. You were listening to Night Snippets with Parthesh Shah, co-founder of Night Fintech. See you tomorrow with the new episode of Night Snippets.